Guys, Josh here. You see this barrel? I'm not going to get in today. I'm going to try to run on it like those guys do with like the logs. I'm going to try to make it all the way here without falling on my butt. So I'm just going to get on it. I'll show you guys. I'm going to run it. I'll be right back. Alright, we'll try that again. Get it pretty good. Alright. Try it again. This one's last time.